Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show you Makartt's 2 brand new polygel kits that are coming out today, November 1st. So with that said, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So we are going to be showing you, I'm not going to be doing a look in this video, guys. This is just to show you the beautiful kits that they've came out with. I will be doing 2 separate videos on each of these kits, 2 separate nail looks, but I just have to show you what they come with, and I'm just excited. I'm just so excited. Guys, they do have 2 more kits that are coming out on November 15th, so stay tuned for that. My discount code is down below, and someone did tell me that you can use my discount code on certain items on the Makartt Amazon site. So if you can't get it on the Makartt site, you can try the Amazon site and you can try my code there. I do have also a specific Amazon code, and that's always in my description anyway. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these 2 kits that they have sent. This is just going to be like an unboxing video. So the first one is the Makartt House of Florists. You're getting 12 polygels in this kit. I love already the packaging of these. Look at this. Look at the colors. I can't. Oh my god. They all have names. I love, love, love how they did that. We have Daffodil, Daisy, Lily of the Valley, Gladiola, Rose, Marigold, okay, that's a long name. Let me show you guys. It's probably a flower and I don't know how to pronounce it. Iris, Water Lily, Morning Glory, Poinsettia, and Carnation. Oh, you guys. Look. Alright. Of course, you get your dual forms. These are the standard dual forms. I might use those. We'll see. Of course, it won't be in this video, like I said, but we might use them. Okay, so, of course, you get your base coat, your top coat, your 180 grit file, you get a white brush and spatula, and 12 freaking beautiful colors. This one is the Seasonal Concertus. Probably said that wrong too. Anyway, so as you can see, it's beautiful. The packaging is so pretty. I love it. It's got lots of floral. And then when you open this one up, ooh, look at that, you guys. It says, Makartt, 3 months from now, you will thank yourself. Ah, there's 16 colors of polygel. Yes, both of these kits are the smaller 15 ml tubes. You will also get base, top coat, 180 grit file, a pink Makartt brush right there, and I'm sure you have dual forms up underneath here. Let's move that out of the way. Yes, there's the dual forms. Now, are these named? I do not know if these are named. Very pretty pastel pink tubes. They have numbers, but I don't see a name. Anyway, so it looks to me like you're getting a lot of pastel colors, probably some jelly colors, a couple darker toned colors. Okay guys, so you can order these today on the Makartt website and I believe Amazon. Like I said, some people have used my code on Amazon, so you just have to give it a try. If it doesn't work, I do have a 10% off code in my description on Amazon, or you can use my 15% off code on the Makartt website, and that link will be down below, as well as these 2 new polygel kits. So this week I will have both of these videos coming out, so stay tuned for that. And that's it. I hope you guys all had a wonderful Halloween, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.